Hello students, past perfect tense is going on. We have completed affirmative sentences, negative sentences and uses of past perfect tense. Students, today I am going to start interrogative sentences. So how we make interrogative sentences? Students, there are two types of interrogative sentences. First is which starts from helping verb and another which starts from WH word. Okay, students, look the pattern. This is for which starts from helping verb. Okay, so we write helping verb first. After that we write subject plus verb's third form plus इसके बाद whatever comes after verb's third form we write here object and or any other thing. Okay, we write after the verb's third form. At last, interrogative sign. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Example, students, had they gone to Delhi? Had they gone to Delhi? Interrogative sign. Students, had is a helping verb, so we write it first. They is a subject, gone is a verb's third form, to Delhi, Delhi is a object. At last, interrogative sign. Look example, students. Look another example. Had we reached home before it rained? Look students, here had is a helping verb. We is a subject. Reached was third form, home object. Before it rained. Students, I have told you in previous video a rule. When two sentences joined with before, what do we do? The first is two actions comes in a sentence. दो एक्शन जब एक ही सेंटेंस में आते हैं तब हम क्या करते हैं? जो एक्शन पहले हुआ होता है एक्शन which happened earlier we make it past perfect tense and action which happened later so we make it a past indefinite tense. Okay, so look here, had we reached home, this action happened earlier so we make this sentence in past perfect tense and before it rained this action happened later so we make it in past indefinite tense. Had the train started before I reached the station? Student, interrogative sign. Before I reached the station. Interrogative sign. Look students, had the train started before I reached the station? Students, here had. Helping verb comes first after the subject. The train started is verb's third form. Before is conjunction I reached the station. This is the action which happened later. So we make this sentence in past indefinite tense and had the train started. Had the train started before this action had this action happened in earlier, so we make this सेंटेंस इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, इसलिए हमने इस सेंटेंस को किसमें बनाया, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में। और ये एक्शन क्या है, लेट हैपेंड हुआ है, तो इसलिए हमने इसे बनाया है पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में। ओके, इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इंटरोगेटिव साइन इज मस्ट। क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स WH वर्ड टाइप इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस how many children had gone, how many children had gone to bed before the sunset. Students, this example is WH word type interrogative sentence. So students, what do? We write WH word first. How many children? Students, how many, this WH word comes with its noun. How many जो word है WH word वो always अपने noun के साथ यूज होता है. So here it is used with its noun. How many children had gone to bed before the sunset? How many? WH word. Okay. Children subject, क्योंकि इसके साथ हमेशा यूज होता है how many के साथ, इसका नाउन लेके चलता है अपना, तो इसलिए इसके साथ आया है. ठीक है. Had, helping verb, gone, verb's third form, to bed, object before the sunset. Okay. At last interrogative sign. Which song had that girl sung before we come? Interrogative sign. Which song had that girl sung before we come? Students, which song? Which words also take their noun with it. ये which word भी है, WH word, जो अपने साथ अपने नाउन को लेकर चलता है, इसके साथ हमेशा इसके नाउन का यूज होता है. ओके. Which song had, which is a WH word. Had is a helping verb, that girl. Subject sung. Verb's third form, before we come. This action happened later, so we make it came. So we make this sentence in past indefinite tense, and this action happened earlier, so we make this sentence in past perfect tense. Which song had that girl sung before we came? जो एक्शन पहले अटेंड हो जाता है उसको हम किस में बनाते हैं, पास्ट परफेक्ट में. जो लेटर, जो बाद में हैपेंड होता है, जो बाद में होता है, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. ओके. एट लास्ट इंटरोगेटिव साइन. So students, these are examples of interrogative sentences. Students, in interrogative sentences, interrogative sign is must. Interrogative negative sentences. Students, subject plus not plus verb third form. Students, when we make interrogative negative sentences, what we do? Pattern had. Sentence which starts from helping verb. Okay, had plus subject. In interrogative negative sentences, the not comes after the subject. Not comes after the subject plus verb third form plus dash interrogative sign. Okay. Example 1. Had he not eaten mango? Okay, students, had he not eaten mango? Had is a helping verb, he is a subject, not is used for negative sentence. Eaten is a verb third form, mango is a object, and it last interrogative sign. So, students, where had we not reached the bus station, before the bus started. Look, students, had we not reached the bus station before the bus started? Interrogative sign. Had is the helping verb, we is the subject, not is used for negative sense. Reached is the verb's third form. The bus station object before the bus started. This is a conjunction and this tense. This action happened in later, so we make this sentence in past indefinite tense. And had we not reached the bus station, this action happened earlier, so we make this sentence in past perfect tense. This is the use of this tense. Okay, जो एक्शन पहले होता है उसके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. एंड जो एक्शन लेटर होता है उसके लिए यूज करते हैं पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. ओके, एट लास्ट इंटरोगेटिव साइन. Had we not reached the bus station before the bus started? Interrogative sign. Student, WH word type interrogative sentence. Look. Where had you not gone? Interrogative sign. Where had you not gone? Okay. Where is a WH word. When we make WH word type negative sentences, when we make WH word type interrogative negative sentences, what we do? We write WH word first. And after that helping verb, subject, and after subject we write not and gone. And after not we write verbs third form at last interrogative sign. Okay. Look students, another example. Why had you written? Why had you not written? Why had you not written a letter? before I went to bed. Interrogative sign. Look students, why had you not written a letter before I went to bed? Okay. So why is a WH word? When we make WH word type interrogative negative sentences, what do? We write WH word first. Then after that we write helping verb, you, subject and noun. After subject we write noun, and after noun we write verb's third form. A letter is the object, before is a conjunction. I went to bed. This is a action which happened later. So we make this sentence in past indefinite tense. And action which happened earlier, what do? We make earlier action in past perfect tense. Okay. Why had you not written a letter before I went to bed? Interrogative sign. Okay, students. So these are examples of past perfect tense.